The Lost Treasure. Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by green hills, there lived a girl named Mia. She was very curious and loved to explore. Every day after finishing her chores, she would wander into the nearby woods, hoping to find something exciting. One sunny morning, while walking near the edge of the village, Mia found a hollow tree. Inside, something shiny caught her eye. She reached in and pulled out an old, crumpled map. The map was yellow and had strange symbols, showing a path that led deep into the forest, with a big red X marking a spot. Mia's heart raced with excitement as she thought about treasure. Mia rushed home to share the news with her best friend, Leo. Leo was brave and loved adventures just as much as Mia. When Mia showed him the map, his eyes sparkled with joy. They both agreed to go find the treasure together. The next morning, Mia and Leo packed a small bag with snacks, a flashlight, and a sturdy shovel. The sun was bright in the sky as they set off on their adventure. The map showed a winding path through the forest, and they felt excited as they followed it. As they walked deeper into the woods, the trees grew taller, and the air became cooler. Sunlight peeked through the leaves, making pretty patterns on the ground. The forest felt magical, and Mia loved every moment. After a while, they came to a clear stream. The map said they needed to cross it. The water looked deep and fast, making Mia a bit nervous. Leo looked around and saw some large stones in the stream. He suggested they hop across the stones. Mia hesitated but then nodded. Carefully, they jumped from stone to stone, cheering each other on. They made it across safely and felt proud of themselves. Continuing their journey, they reached a sunny clearing. In the middle stood a huge, old oak tree. The map had a big X marked right in front of it. Mia and Leo exchanged excited looks. They knew they were close to finding the treasure. They ran to the tree and began digging with their shovel. The ground was hard, and they worked hard, pushing dirt aside. Minutes passed, and they found only roots and rocks. Mia suggested they dig deeper, and they kept going. Suddenly, Leo's shovel hit something hard. They both knelt and cleared the dirt away. To their surprise, they uncovered a wooden chest, old and covered in moss. Its rusty hinges creaked as they opened it. Inside, they found gold coins, sparkling jewels, and beautiful trinkets. They couldn't believe their luck. As they celebrated, Mia noticed a small note at the bottom of the chest. She picked it up and read, "To those who find this treasure, remember to share your wealth and joy with others." Leo thought for a moment and said they should share the treasure with the village. Mia agreed, feeling it was the right thing to do. They packed some coins and jewels into their bags and headed back home. When they arrived at the village, they gathered everyone in the town square. The villagers listened in awe as Mia and Leo shared the story of their adventure and the treasure they had found. Excitement filled the air as the villagers cheered. Mia and Leo began handing out coins and jewels, sharing their treasure with everyone. Laughter and joy filled the square, and the village came alive with happiness. To thank Mia and Leo, the villagers decided to throw a big feast that evening. Tables were set with delicious food, and the smell of roasted meats and fresh bread filled the air. Children played games while adults shared stories and laughter. As the sun set, lanterns lit up the village, creating a warm glow. Music filled the air as a local band played joyful tunes. Mia and Leo danced with their friends, feeling a deep sense of happiness. Later, they gathered around a large fire, where the villagers shared tales of their own adventures. Mia and Leo listened eagerly, their imaginations sparked by stories of bravery and friendship. They realized that the true treasure was not just the gold and jewels but the bonds they had formed with their friends and family. As days turned into weeks, Mia and Leo continued to explore the woods, always looking for new adventures. They often returned to the tree where they found the treasure, feeling connected to it. Sometimes they discovered small treasures like shiny stones or pretty feathers, which they brought back to share with everyone. As time passed, the village thrived. Inspired by Mia and Leo's kindness, the villagers began to work together more closely. They helped each other with their farms and shared their harvests. The village became a happy place where everyone felt valued. Mia and Leo learned that sharing and friendship were the greatest treasures of all. They organized fun events, like festivals and games, bringing the villagers together. They encouraged everyone to explore their own talents and interests, creating a joyful community. One day, while exploring a new part of the forest, Mia and Leo discovered a hidden waterfall. The water tumbled down the rocks, creating a sparkling pool below. They decided to bring the villagers to this beautiful spot for a picnic. The day of the picnic arrived, and the villagers gathered by the waterfall. They spread out blankets and shared food, laughter, and stories. The children splashed in the water while the adults relaxed and enjoyed the scenery. Mia and Leo felt fulfilled watching everyone have a great time. As twilight approached, they all gathered around the water's edge. Mia and Leo shared their adventure story again, reminding everyone of the importance of kindness and sharing. The villagers cheered, thankful for the joy Mia and Leo brought into their lives. Years went by, and Mia and Leo grew up but never lost their sense of adventure. They became leaders in the village, inspiring others to explore and dream big. The village thrived and became known for its warmth and friendship. Mia and Leo's story became a cherished tale, passed down through generations. They showed everyone that the real treasure lies in love, friendship, and the joy of sharing. And so, Mia and Leo's legacy lived on, reminding everyone to seek adventure and spread happiness.
Congratulations on finishing this section. To improve your English, it is crucial to persistently practice. Finally, we would be most grateful if you could kindly subscribe, like, and share our channel in order to remain well informed and up to date.